What's happening? It's your boy Jay Anonymous. You feel me? And welcome to another episode of Anonymous Crypto. Now, you already know about Dogecoin, okay? You already know about that, man. We ain't even got to get into none of the fundamentals on this. We just gonna get straight to the meat and the bones, okay? Now, before we get into this, I am not a financial advisor. What does that mean? Do your own due diligence before buying, selling, or holding crypto. Do not make any investment decisions based on the content you see here on this channel. All content here on this channel is for informational and entertainment purposes only. Why? Because the motto here is, if you listen to me, you might end up in the street. You feel me? We don't want that to happen, so please do your due diligence. Now, Dogecoin, okay? Now, I'm pretty sure you guys can see the market is going crazy. A lot of people are jumping in, jumping off ship, jumping, leaving, going to Mars. All kind of stuff is going on, okay? But what we need to keep in mind is the market is going to go up and down. So right now we are in a downtrend. Some people don't like the fact that this downtrend lasted longer than 3 weeks to a month, okay? Sorry, but that's how it goes sometimes, you know what I'm saying? So you got to have enough faith in your investment to hold it for the long term. Not telling you to hold Dogecoin, but I'm just saying, you know, you got to understand that when you're investing and you put money in there, unless you're doing a day trading type of system, if you're trying to really like grow some wealth long term and you're trying to hold it and you're trying to get it to grow, it's going to happen like this. It's not going to always be up in the green. You get what I'm saying? So you just got to understand that. And, you know, so anyway, back in, I know a lot of people, there's a couple of my buddies actually jumped into Dogecoin before it took off, and these guys, you know, they got some nice size bags over there. And one of my buddies called me, was like, hey man, you know, what you think about Dogecoin, man? It's dropping really low, man, and I just don't want to lose my whole investment, yada yada yada, you know what I'm saying? So I decided to make a video on this. So let's get into this. Now, Dogecoin, as you can see here, you know, we already know about that, man. So let's get into this. Now, coin market cap. Currently, Dogecoin is still ranked number 7 crypto in the world, even with everything going on, even when the price dropping down as low as it has. It was all the way to 75 cents before the whole Elon fiasco, and it's down to 21 cents, which some of my buddies, especially the one who called me, bought in when it was at like the same price of SafeMoon, Shiba Inu type situation. So 21 cents, I mean, he's still in the green. I mean, like, tremendously, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, for all of you guys who got in early, I mean, you might as well hold on. I don't see why you would let go. If you bought in for less than a penny and you bought in for like less, like, you know, at the thousands or the 100,000s or the millions place when Dogecoin was at those places, you have a nice sized bag, man. Even right now, if you were to sell, you would probably be doing okay. So it makes no sense to just want to just jump out, you know. Now, if you don't have that much, if you only got 1,000 shares or something, I mean, hey, it's up to you, whatever. But, you know. So anyway, they're currently ranked number 7 on CoinMarketCap.com out of 10,571 cryptos. They are currently on 981 watch lists with a current price point of 21.5 cents. Currently up 9.52% with a current market cap of 28 billies with a 24-hour volume of $5.7 billion, okay? Now, go to the Twitter real quick. Just want to highlight the Twitter. As you can see, they got the blue check. They're verified at Dogecoin. Dogecoin is an open source peer-to-peer cryptocurrency favored by Shibas worldwide. Elon Musk thinks we're pretty cool. Okay, whatever. They have been on Twitter since December 2013, so Dogecoin is definitely nothing new. And they have 1.8 million followers, okay, on Twitter. Now, let's get into the bread, let's get into the meat, let's get into the butter and all that other stuff, okay? Bam! Dogecoin headed to 5 cents after losing crucial support level. And Elon Musk can't save it, says Bitcoin Bull, okay? Now, what is this? Let's get you out of there. Synonymous cryptocurrency analyst Tyler Durden said on social media that even Tesla Inc. CEO Elon Musk cannot save Dogecoin from hitting a programmed 5 cents level. What happened? Durden, a known Bitcoin bull, posted a chart on Twitter and claimed that Musk's tweets could not rescue the meme cryptocurrency. Then you can see the tweet right here, yada yada yada. The chart is in the tweet appears to be what is known as head and shoulder pattern, okay? A head and shoulder pattern right here. So This pattern has a baseline with 3 peaks, with the outside peaks being close in height and the middle being the highest. This sort of formation indicates a bullish to bearish trend reversal in technical analysis. Why it matters? The head and shoulders pattern denotes one of the most reliable trend reversal patterns as per Investopedia. Okay, now you can look more into the charts and everything like that if you would like to. You might not agree with that, but that's what they're talking about. So let's finish it up real quick. The tweeted chart indicates a 0.29 a 29 cent support level. Doge traded below the stated level, down 10% over 24 hours at 25 cents at press time. The cryptocurrency has plummeted 17.2% over a 7-day period. The Shiba Inu themed coin traded 63.38% lower from an all-time high of 74 cents hit last month. Since the beginning of this year, Doge has soared 5,691.79%, buoyed by tweets from Musk and mentions by other celebrities. Okay, now if we want to get into that, to be honest, I'm gonna be all the way honest, because I know people are worried about Dogecoin because you see Shiba coming out. It's got a lot of love from the press and from celebrities, from different things going on. They also have Leash and Bone, which is built with the Shiba Inu system. So they're trying to build more of a use case outside of just being a meme coin. Elon Musk is backing it, similar to how he was backing Dogecoin, but there's a lot bigger and a faster and a stronger push on the Shiba Inu side of the game than it was necessarily Doge. Doge was more of a slower play. Me personally, I don't think that Dogecoin is necessarily going to just go away. It definitely could. I'm not a financial advisor, like I say all the time, and I don't make the rules. I'm not the one turning the cogs. So, but just in my personal opinion, I just feel like this is another attempt to scare people out. Same thing with Bitcoin. With a lot of this stuff, when the market is down like this, most of the time it is a scare tactic, whether you want to believe it or not. This is a scare tactic to get people to to sell out, and then they leave their money into the market, because you only lose your money if you sell the investment. If you sell it, if you buy it at $100 and it goes down to 50 and you sell it, you lost $50. But if it goes down to $50 and you hold it and then it goes up to $200, now you kept your money plus you made more. So that's just how the game is. That's why they say diamond hands, whatever. Passing wealth from the impatient to the patient. So it just depends on how patient you can be. Well, that also pertains to your emotions, because if you're emotional, that's usually one of the main indicators of your patience dwindling. Okay, you cannot necessarily be patient and be emotional at the same time. Okay, just saying. So let's get into this other article before we wrap it up. Okay, sorry about that. Ethereum co-founder, we just talked about Charles Hoskinson, right? Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson hopes Elon Musk's call to upgrade Dogecoin will give it more of a real world use and prevent a collapse in value. Okay, now you can see here, Cardano creator Charles Hoskinson said Dogecoin has potential for a real world use case if improved. The Ethereum co-founder hopes Elon Musk's call to fix up the meme token will stave off its collapse. Dogecoin was last trading 9% lower at 24 cents on Monday, but it's up about 5,164% still this year. Okay. Ethereum co-founder and Cardano creator Charles Hoskinson said on a recent podcast that he hopes, you already said that, Dogecoin is a reasonable target for someone to fix it up and make it an interesting cryptocurrency. He told podcast host Lex Friedman on Friday. After Musk called on developers to submit ideas for upgrades to the meme token last month, Hoskinson posted a video describing the challenges that come with developing a cryptocurrency like Dogecoin. My hope is that a compromise can be made where real developers come in and they start working on Doge to create some use and utility for it, so at least it has a value floor and won't collapse. He predicted it could take 2 to 3 years for Dogecoin to be able to function as a modern cryptocurrency. Dogecoin's popularity has surged this year as influencers included Musk promoting the meme-based cryptocurrency on Twitter. Its explosive run higher isn't seen as reflecting any meaningful value, but rather as driven by buyers hoping that others will pile in and push the price of Dogecoin higher, which is what a lot of these coins, especially the newer ones, are doing. You know what I'm saying? So hey, whatever floats your boat. But that's basically what's going on right now. Dogecoin. Now, like I said, I don't think it necessarily, it could very well go to 5 cents. I mean, it's already at 20 something cents. I mean, it could go to 5 cents. And for a lot of you guys who bought in after the 5 cents mark, that's bad. But once again, like I told my buddies, keep in perspective that if you bought, let's say 100,000 shares when it was worth nothing, or 1,000,000 shares when it was worth nothing, and now you're at 20 cents, even if it's at 5 cents, you're still very much in the green. So this, you just got to keep that in perspective, man. Now, do I think it's just going to go to zero and go to shit? No, I don't think so. I think that this is just a time for people to be, all of the people who are impatient and emotional, they're going to sell. The whales are going to come in, buy it more. The people who are opportunists are going to come in and buy it more. And then just how it always goes every year, every other year for the last, I don't know how many years, no matter if it's real estate, stock, crypto, you're running multiple businesses, whatever. This is how it goes, up and down. Okay. Now, with that being said, I am not a financial advisor. So what does that mean? Do your own due diligence before buying, selling, or holding crypto. Do not make any investment decisions based on the content you see here on this channel. All content posted on this channel is for informational and entertainment purposes only. Why? Because the motto here is, if you listen to me, you might end up in the street. You feel me? We don't want that to happen. So please do your due diligence. Now, like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Or like, subscribe, comment. Yeah, I like that one better. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know if you gonna go buy some more Dogecoin, okay? Because, look, if you're interested, I'm not telling you what to do, but this could be a good buying opportunity. The whole market is a good buying opportunity right now for most people, especially if you are already in, because you can see, like, damn, this was just here, and now it's pretty much all the way down to where I originally bought in. So now I can buy in more. So then when it goes back up, now I have more again. Boom. That's pretty much the game. So anyway, with that being said, let me know what's up, man. Let me know how you feeling, what's going on. If you want to see some new content, new different types of content, thank all you guys that are subscribing and watching, okay? You're helping the views, you're helping the algorithm, all of that, okay? Once again, my name is Jay Anonymous. This is the Anonymous Crypto Channel. We out.